aking machine for chapatis. Ito yun, no, kasulat, oh. Ano yan? Dough for chapatis or kubos, etc. can be needed ano ba ito? Quickly and easy. Ayan, oh, quick kneader. And this was 2 years ago, sponsored from one of my friend, classmate from Australia. So ito yung aking gagamitin for pagmasahe ng arena. And I think I will put now flour here. Ito yung blade niya. So ilagay ko ito lahat. What is enough here? I think this is more than 3 kilogram of wet flour you can put here in this machine. So ilagay ko ito lahat. Now we have to turn off. Now then we can start kneading. Now we have to put first salt. Now we have to cover it and then start open here. This is timer 1 2 3 4 5. So I will put timer in 5 minutes. Now immediately put water here like that. Let's start kneading a flour. So I put water. I put already water before. This is not enough water, so I add more. This is my kneading machine for chapatis. And this is very easy and very quick. Ayan, nakasulat dyan. Now it's already mixed flour. Now we can take out the mixed flour from here. Ito na yung blade, and then we have to clean this one by towel because this is not too much dirty, so no need, just use only towel, wet the towel, and then you have to wipe with dry towel. So very maganda yung kanyang dough. Ayan. Now I'm going to make paratha because this is for breakfast. Morning time when Fatma she wake up, I have extra mixed flour at night time. So now there is no more. Now I already mixed flour this one, and I have to make now paratha because for my husband, for Fahad and Langga, and for me also. Now I have to start now making paratha. First paratha, then to be followed by kubos chapatis. Because my husband, he go down first. He drink only tea. So after 30 minutes, he will come back again here to drink tea with paratha for his nasta breakfast. Silangga, anong tulog ka? Si Paha doon natutulog sa baba, mamaya pa yun siya aakyat mag-breakfast. So we have to turn off now this flame. today is Friday and time now in Pakistan is 8 a.m. na. And today is August 2. Ang bilis ng anong araw. Kailan lang yung July? Natapos na yung month of July. We have more oil here. If there is no light, I make manual kneading. But there is light, so I use this my kneading machine. Now this is already finished, so we have to turn side because this side is still not cooked. Now you can put again this another paratha. Put oil here and dough. So this is already finished. Now we can put this one in hot so that it will remain hot. Now put some oil here. Ito na yung aking ginawa na paratha, yung isa kumain na si Lakay ng breakfast. So yung iba ay chapati. Ayan. Nasa taas na naman si Lakay, nagkakating siya ng puno ng apricot para yung mga leaves ay ipakain sa aming kambing. Pagkatapos niyang magnasta ay umakyat siya kasi yun nga nag-request yung may-ari ng puno ng apricot na ikat yun para panggatong for coming winter na naman. Dapat next month mag-prepare na naman kami ng mga kahoy for winter. Kasi by October start na malamig-lamig na konti. Then November autumn na yan pero malamig na. Then December winter na yan. December, January, February. Yan, winter na yan. Mag-snow falling na.